How to log into Lowe's credit card account. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how to access your Lowe's credit card account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your preferred web browser on your computer and in the address bar type in lewis.syf.com and hit enter in your keyboard. Then this will take you to this kind of interface in the official website of Lowe's. And once the website loads, take a moment to explore the various card options available and select the card that meets your needs. Click on the Pay and Manage Account section that is highlighted in blue color in order to successfully proceed to the login page. Once on the login page, you have to enter your user ID in the first field, followed by the correct form of your password in the second field. And in the case if you have forgotten your user ID, you can click on this Recover User ID in order to successfully retrieve it. And in the case if you have forgotten your password, click on the Reset Your Password option in order to successfully reset your password and log into your account. And in the case if you'd like to use Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials, check this box of Remember Me. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for security reasons. And after entering the correct form of your user ID and the password in the first and the second field, click on the Login button in the bottom of the screen to access your Lowe's credit card account. This will allow you to manage your account easily. So by following the simple steps, you can navigate the login process smoothly and make the most of the services offered by the Lowe's credit card platform. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and happy banking.